Well, look, we've got a collapse in the global security order. We've got a collapse in the global political order. We've got a collapse in the global trading system, apart from this 90-day reprieve. And we've got a staggeringly high level of government and private sector, by the way, debt almost everywhere, with massive fiscal deficits in almost every Western economy. And now we need to rearm because of the collapse in the security situation. And we need to invest for climate change, and we need to invest for, social stability. Where's the money going to come from? How is this going to be done? Are we going to have to make guns or butter choices? And if we're not going to make guns or butter choices, are we going to be borrowing it again? And how, with interest rates being relatively high? Or are we going to be using statecraft to financialize our way out of it? At which point, you create inflation. There are all kinds of different, really important structural questions that arise from this. And no one has a coherent answer, except to say that going back to the way things were is not going to work. And that's a really key thing to understand. You can't just go back to the old playbook of cutting rates, pushing up asset prices, and saying because markets. It will not